In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a front post double treble 2 together. We're going to combine these 2 stitches here, the 2 end post stitches. To make a double treble, you yarn over 3 times. For the front post, you go in the right side, behind, and around, and come back up the other side of the post. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, leaving 2 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over 3 times for the second double treble. Go in and around your next post that you want to use. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You'll now have 3 loops on your hook, and you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3.